I have a category that I call that's my own blocks that I play with and build from time to time. And so I want to show you how I built this one. So I'm going to go into my basic blocks and I'm going to be using the chevron and the goose chase block. So I'm going to choose the chevron block. And for now, I'm just going to leave it the size that I have that it comes in, which is an 8-inch block. And then I'm going to go back and choose the goose chase block. Let me just rotate everything at one time. That'll make my life easier. And then I'm going to select just these three. And remember, in any dime software, if you hold down your control key when you're selecting, it will put a plus sign after it. And that means you can select those different pieces. So I just click, hold down control, click, click. And then I'm going to slide this one out to the edge of my block. And because I have my snap to grid on, it snaps right in place. So for these, this one here, I'm going to rotate this one, or you could mirror image it, either one. And I'm going to just slide it out of the way because I really only need half of this block. So remember, you can edit these blocks, so you do not have to use every piece of the block, and then it snaps right to the edge there. So you can use the built-in blocks for creating by manipulating the pieces. Now you can also draw shapes as well. And if you're drawing, you might want to turn your grid on, and you do have drawing options here. You can draw your triangles, diamonds, stars, hexes, whatever it is that you want, or you can freehand your rectangle too. You can even freehand. So you can draw. So you just want to click for a straight, and you can draw your block, however you want. So I've just made that square, which we could have drawn with our rectangle, but you can also make your triangles, diamonds. Your grid is really helpful in that sense. So you can draw your own block, and then once you draw this, you would use that. This is a very simple, but just to show you, you would run that through the workflow the same way you would a block, and you can see that it created the file to put those together.